Geology is a wonder beneath our feet. And that's really the primary focus of a lot of the research that is done on climate change, is looking through the history of time back to the oldest ice that we have. The National Science Foundation Ice Core facility is the only U.S.-based facility on this scale to hold these important recorders of our past climate. It has a footprint of approximately 10,000 square feet, and we hold almost 14 miles of ice in the freezer.
This is the dedicated mechanical room just to run our freezer, and essentially it's a pretty high-tech refrigerant system. It's got 6 compressors that generally 3 of them are running at any given time, and that's what keeps our freezer at both minus 36 Celsius and minus 24 Celsius.
Ice cores are the best recorder of our past atmosphere that we have. Ice cores actually capture a physical bubble of air, and so we can go back and extract the air to look at the atmospheric composition at that time.
So we can use these ice cores to recreate what's been happening with our past climate and understand how all these natural variations happen. This is the oldest core in our collection that dates back to just a little over 400,000 years ago. And this is from about 3,500 meters beneath the surface of Antarctica. So scientists will study this ice for all kinds of purposes, but one of the main things that we're looking at is the gases that are trapped in here, as well as the stable isotopes of both hydrogen and oxygen, the ratio of which we can use to determine the temperature at the time that this snow was falling, in this case 400,000 years ago.
We have tens of millions of dollars worth of resources in the freezer here, but we can't really capture that. You know, it's not just the fact that it would be incredibly expensive to go back and try to re-core these cores, but they're also changing through time. Some of those glaciers are disappearing, so cores that are collected from those areas are one-of-a-kind resources. They're irreplaceable.